ongoing: social, technological, and economic changes. Yet these people, from different times, were able to change and impact the world we live in today. So how is change created? How do you make an impact? Where do you even start? Board members, national presidents, senators, honored guests, fellow JCI members, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to go over the 3 key steps young people can follow to create impactful change while using non-traditional solutions, and how to make that difference now. I'm going to start with the story of a young man who wanted to change the world. And it tells of how he tries and he tries and he tries and he can't change the world. So he says, okay, I'll change my nation. And he tries at that, but nothing, no change. All right, he says, I'll just change my town. But the same thing happened, no change. And by this time he was up in his years. So he says, I'll at least change my family. But he could not impact them. And as he lay on his deathbed, no change having happened, he came to a realization. If he had just embraced the change himself, he would have impacted his family, who would have changed the town. Together, they could have changed his nation, and then they would have changed the world. What do you take from this story? I take that in order to make an impact, the person themselves must believe wholeheartedly in what they're trying to achieve, committed completely to the change they're trying to create. Take Gandhi. He was 100% committed to the change he wanted to see in the world. His passion and dedication inspired his nation, and together they were able to create the change he envisioned. Passion is key to creating impactful change. Now that you have passion, it's time to share it with more people. But it's not enough to just tell them about it. You need to inspire them. Make your passion meaningful to them. And that happens when a group of individuals understand and share a common vision. They need to know and believe in what you're trying to achieve. A clear vision can help everyone understand what you're asking of them. Martin Luther King Jr. didn't single-handedly come up with a solution to civil rights. He was able to clearly articulate his vision, and together, with everyone who believed in the future he saw, create change. A clear vision is key to creating impactful change. Passion? Clear vision. Now, how is this change going to happen? You're going to like a photo on Facebook? Change your profile picture to be something meaningful. What about sharing an article on Twitter or LinkedIn? Everyone says that social media is the next big thing. But have you just done that? Have you created change? Made an impact? What if you just threw money at all the problems you saw in the world? Will this money still have helped in 5 years? 10? 20? The answer? No. Real, long-lasting change is made up from solutions to problems. Social media just gives you a bigger megaphone to get your clear vision out there. It's not enough to just agree something is bad or put stopgap solutions in. We need lasting change. We need innovation. And that means giving non-traditional solutions to traditional problems. And that is what George Rotter and Parker Mitchell did. 2 young engineers in their 20s from Toronto, Ontario, who were upset over the extreme poverty in parts of Africa. But instead of giving money or food, they used innovation and founded Engineers Without Borders Canada. This nonprofit organization sends out young engineers to show impoverished Africans how to bring water to their villages, increase their crop yields, and sell some of that crop to make a living, solving a multitude of problems with lasting solutions. Innovation is key to creating impactful change. JCI is creating change by following these steps and staying true to their mission of creating positive change in the world. Getting members to use the JCI Active Citizenship Framework, get out in their communities, be active citizens, and find sustainable solutions to community issues. If every one of our almost 5,000 chapters follow the steps to create impactful change to a problem where they lived, we would see worldwide impact. You now know the 3 steps young people can follow to create impactful change while using non-traditional solutions. And that JCI has given you a way to make that difference now. But before I finish, I want to challenge all of you not to just like a photo on Facebook, but to get out and talk to community leaders. Find out what the problems are where you live. Choose the one you feel most passionate about. Follow the framework, and you can create change. You have over 200,000 people behind you, believing in you. There is no reason to wait. Get up, get out there, and start creating change now. Woo!